The ABH-3000
Modular Spray Arm.
is a compact automatic spray nozzle assembly designed to deliver high-performance atomization in demanding coating environments. Its construction allows multiple spray nozzles to be integrated into a single spray arm, ensuring uniform liquid distribution across the coating zone. Using advanced air atomizing technology, the ABH-3000 produces a controlled oval flat spray pattern that promotes consistent coating application while minimizing spray-related defects. Uses and applications. ABH-3000 Spray Arm are used for a variety of coating applications. For tablet coating, pharma, and various food coating applications. This are benefits of the ABH-3000 Modular Spray Arm. Specifications: